everyone. Today we're going to go over how to draw the Beholder from, from D&D, all right? Really cool. It's going to be real simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. All right, so let's jump right into it. Going to go right here, curve up for the eye. Okay, line over here. And then curve down here on this side. Curve for underneath that bag under the eye. Curve for basically the lower lid, really. Up here, curve for the top of that lid. And then right here in the center, we're going to do this curve shape, like a tombstone shape. It's going to be the eye. Circle and dot in the middle. Alrighty. Now let's do the rest of them. We're gonna have like a kind of a curved area for the brow right there. And right here, I'm going to draw a smile out, down over here, curve, smile over here for the mouth area. Alrighty. Curve line for the top of the head. And then, okay, let's go into the teeth, okay? Teeth are really cool. Line down right here, line down. Big, sharp teeth, all right? I don't know how this thing digests or poops or whatever, but, you know, it works. It works. It's worked. This design has worked. Line over here. Line over here for the side of the mouth, And let's draw some teeth down here. Line over here. Curve. Down over here, angle, down, straight across, up at an angle, and over here. So essentially that jaw is just like a human jaw, nothing too wild, right? You have the points up here for the cheekbone, points down here for the jaw. Nothing out of the ordinary yet. So now this is where it's going to get a little weirder. We're going to have just kind of these little tentacles coming out, right? First of all, just do them any way you want, just these S curves. And do a few. I don't really have a number for you. I'm sure someone out there knows of a number that would be appropriate, but just do a few of these. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to thicken these out, right? So it's going to become thick and thin at the end. But at the very end is going to be an eyeball. Like a ball like that, okay? Same thing over here on this side. Thick to thin, and then ball here. Thick to thin, and then ball here. Thick to thin right here, and then we're going to throw a ball at the end of that. Same thing over here. Ball at the end of that. I'm going to start with a ball on that one, and then I'm going to pull back here. Pulling over here. A ball at the end of that. Curve out here. Ball at the end of that. Ball at the end of that. Ball at the end of that. Right on, doing pretty good. All right, doing good. For the mouth itself, I want to throw a curve, a line underneath, like there's a tongue, and just kind of find the rest of the tongue behind those guys, right? And what you could do, which is what I'm about to do right here, is I'm going to fill in the empty part of that mouth. That's going to allow for it's going to allow pretty much for it's like easier to see what it is. It's easier for the viewer to read it if you put these darks and lights, and it's going to really make stuff clear. All right, so you fill that in. And now everything left is purely detail, okay? You can draw a thin line here, draw the eyeball at the end, curve over here, draw the eyeball, curve over here, draw eyeball, curve eyeball, curve eyeball, curve eyeball, curve eyeball, eyeball. And I like to do these with like thinner lines than normal right here. And I want to put like some curved lines over here because that is what's going to I'm throwing these thin lines because his skin obviously isn't smooth. It's going to be textured, right? So I'm throwing these thin lines kind of around the flexion of the face, right? Like the lips, areas like so. If you don't know those areas, don't worry about it. Just kind of take a guess and it'll be fine, right? Just think about, look at your own face, right? See where things flex and stuff like that. I'm throwing these thin lines as wrinkles. Also, if you do want to learn more about drawing in general, because that's a big part about drawing all these characters, go to my website, sketchingeasy.com, and there's a program on there that teaches you how to improve at drawing, right? Sketchingeasy.com. I have a program on there. Go check that out. It's going to be worth it. I'm trying to form kind of like, how I'm trying to basically form the website in a way that people will like use it, to really learn and become better at drawing. So check that out. Alrighty. Curve over here, curve over here. And we're just going to keep going like that. I could leave it as is, and it would probably work right there. So let me know what you think of the beholder there, and also hit that like. Remember, always hit that like. It's going to make a lot of difference to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Talk to you later, and I'll see you next time, all right? Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.